...2013 Jeep Wrangler. Sound effects in Lewis, Delaware. Vehicle was brought to us right off the dealership lot. It's got 76 miles on the odometer. 3.5-inch rough country lift. 35-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires. 20-inch black and machined fuel throttle wheels. The side view also shows you the body armor trail doors, body armor roof rack, body armor cage. Did a full custom audio upgrade from JVC, Kenwood, and Kicker. We've got a hidden Kicker HS8 underneath the front passenger seat. Kenwood 4-channel amplifier underneath the passenger seat. This is a view of the Kicker 150 watt HS8. Custom double-din JVC radio. Giving him Bluetooth audio for when he's on the beach. Also XM satellite radio. Taking a view of the front. This thing's decked out. Full body armor. Front bumper. 10 million 5-inch PIA lights. Smitty built 8,000-pound winch. Thing's mean looking. And then we also did the body armor rear bumper with swing arm. Added the best top, soft top. The vehicle did not come with one. Also did a Magnaflow exhaust. Stainless catback. Picture of also the rough country shock on the back right hand side. And something else is pretty cool is the unlimited shade cage. So when he takes the top down, he's got some protection for all the sun. Rugged ridge gauge pod, turning on and off all the lights. Another shot of the JVC 71BT radio. Pop open your cooler, turn the Jeep on, control music from your lounge chair, beach chair, from your phone, through the sound system, and enjoy the beach. Sound effects in Lewis, Delaware.